Just a great tip to know, you can use our chocolate paint as a stain. All you have to do is add a little bit of water to it, and I'll show you how easy that is. So you may want to do approximately 1 part water to 1 part paint, and you can mix it in another container that you have handy. And I'm going to give it a little stir with my brush here. And once it's all stirred up, then you can use it as a stain. So I'm going to use it as a stain on bare wood because I want to do a little bit of distressing to this later. And when I distress through, I don't want to see the original light new wood. I want it to look older. So I'm going to simply add this to it now. And it's really easy to use. It's a really beautiful, thin stain that's easy to work with. You can get into all the little grooves, and it's actually okay if I don't get into these grooves because I'm going to be distressing only the top parts that you see raised. So if you don't get into every section, that is totally fine. And let me just flip it over so that you can see how thin of a stain it can actually become. Super nice and pretty. Check that out. So again, all I did was take a little bit of chocolate and add some water to it, and you have a stain. Really great for making a base when you want to paint a different color over top of it, and you don't want to see down to the bare, raw new wood. Really great tips for distressing later.